Hello everyone and welcome to Red, White, and Blue Woodworking, and today I'm going to show you how I made a small planter box. And I do apologize, some of the clips are missing from this video because I do film with my phone and the sun was overheating my phone because I'm working outside, and so some of the clips did not get saved. So obviously first I just marked all my lines and used a speed square to make sure they were straight. Then I headed over to the miter saw and cut them all at a 90-degree angle, and later on we're going to clean them up and make a 45-degree angle so they all fit together. So here I'm going to go ahead and cut the 45-degree angle and the piece's final length. This doesn't have to be perfect because I will be using metal brackets on the sides, which will cover up the ends from showing if there is any gaps. And next is the glue up, and I'm just putting pieces of tape down to hold the angles together while I will glue them and clamp them. And this part was actually easier than I thought it would be, just because there was room for error covering the bevels up with brackets later. And here I'm just drilling holes in the aluminum brackets, which will be on the side. And after I do this, I'm going to spray paint them metallic black, and this gave it an overall really nice look and went well with the cedar. After getting the brackets to the sides of the wood with some 3/4 inch screws, I moved over to cutting the bottom parts of the planter box that will hold the kind of tarp-like material that allows the water to pass through the bottom. And this will be outside, so I'm not too worried about collecting the water from underneath. If it was inside, yes, we would have to, but this was more for an outdoor kind of project. After getting the pond liner kind of interior fabric, I moved over to cutting the trim for the top perimeter of the planter box. And as you can tell at the end of this video, it does cut off because of the heat, but I'm just nailing it some nails. Thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel, so that would be really appreciated. Thank you all.